guys, welcome back to my channel. Originally this was supposed to be a talk through, but I legit had a noise. I need to put my mic on, so I can't do that. So I'm going in with the black opal truly topaz, and I'm just outlining underneath my eyebrows. This look was inspired by Jordyn Woods. I love the look, that like soft neutral makeup look she's been doing, so that's what this was inspired by. So I went like right underneath the eye. For moisturizer, I'm going in with that was the, oh my god, what is it called? I'm gonna put it down below. It's like the French one. For primer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty because I want to try to keep it affordable. For foundation, I'm going in with the Milani 2-in-1 in the shade Amber. So sorry for the angle. My camera, I did not realize that half my mouth was out. I didn't want to just throw away the footage. Oh my gosh, but I can't remember the name of the foundation. It has a French name. Not the foundation, the moisturizer. So I'm just buffing that foundation all over my skin. Next, for concealer, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl in the shade Camel. I always like to go in with my darkest concealer shade first and let that sit a little bit, and then I would put a lighter one on top if I would like a brighter look. But I know that Jordyn, even though she does have a bright under eye, she tries to do it like still somewhat natural. So what I like to do, a good trick to when you buff out the ends outsides of your concealer, go in with your foundation brush, because that will help to not leave a stark line between your foundation and your concealer. I was just going up close for you guys to see what the makeup is really looking like. It was supposed to be a what makeup really looks like in person video inspired by Face Over Matter, but again, my camera kept making an annoying noise. I forgot to put my mic on. So on top of this is just the Makeup Forever Ultra Setting Concealer in the shade 43. I'm definitely going to start putting my mic on when I film, because it's like you can hear the camera shifting, and I know that is very annoying. So we're just going to buff. This is just a very natural, simple look. That's why it's so fast, because it's honestly the simplest makeup look you can do. It's just all about blending. Blend. And for my eyebrows, I use the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 3. And it's just like a brow gel. It's very natural. And then I just went in with a little bit of powder, but I barely did anything. To set, that powder I'm using is a Danessa Myricks in the shade number 2. For my cream contour, I'm going in with Williams Title. And as you can see, it looks more like a cream bronzer than a contour. And I like that orangey warm look that's really close to my own skin color, because it blends better and it gives a more natural appearance when you're trying to do like a softer glam. You don't want a super dark contour that looks like dirt. You want something that literally looks like, you know, you got a tan. So more of a cream bronzer. Then I'm going in with the Hoola Benefit Caramel. I could also go in with, I think the darkest shade is Mocha. I think I could go in with that shade, but that shade I like to use it for nighttime. Next, for blush, I'm going in with the Sephora Blush Cheerful. It's such a pretty peachy salmon blush. I'm just taking my Morphe 25D palette, and I'm just going in with the shades I showed you to put on my lid only, just to make it a little bit more toasty. Over my lid, I put some bronzer. Then I'm going to go in my waterline with the Inglot 77. This is just to kind of give a more cat eye fierce look. I will say this though, if you want to look more daytime awake, do not do this step. Skip this step. When you go in with black, it's always going to make things look more dramatic. So if you want a fresher look, do not go in with black. Go in with brown if you must go in with anything. But leaving it natural will be the softest, like most feminine look. Then on top, I'm just going in with my Inglot or my LA Girl liner. I use the LA Girl brush, and I just put it in my Inglot water liner. For my highlighter, I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks Gotcha Glow. It's so pretty. Look at that. Like, that's the prettiest highlighter on the planet. It literally sinks into the skin. And the reason why you see me smiling as I do my highlight, I like to put my highlighter on the pinnacles of my smile. I just popped on some lashes, did some lip gloss, and we are done. This is just some clear brow gel from Benefit. I hope you guys like this simple tutorial. I'm going to give a little motivation at the end about just loving yourself. And I hope this helps. To go out with my makeup like this, there's somebody out there who's going to think it's really, really nice makeup, and that I'll go out with like bumps on my skin underneath my makeup, and people are like, oh my god, you have such nice skin. Alright, sometimes I'm not even wearing makeup. So remember, you are always going to be your harshest critic, no matter what you do out there. You could like literally be, I'm pretty sure Beyonce is her harshest critic, because she's Beyonce. Like,
even like when I saw like her after she had her twins, I'm like, oh my god, she looks so good, and like she's thinking that she can lose more weight. So it goes to show you that what somebody else could think of you versus what you think of you is never going to be the same, because we're just so harsh and so critical to ourselves. So I hope this tutorial helps you. I'm going to do more with more dramatic looks. I really love the theme of this video idea. I think it's really, really fantastic, and I really do hope more people will do it, because I feel like the more that we normalize stuff like texture and acne and discoloration, the less people will feel bad about having those things. Because like, I remember my dark under eye wrinkles and circles and stuff like that. I remember I was so embarrassed by it, and then one day Aaliyah J posted that she had under eye like cracks underneath her eye too, and she didn't know how she got it because she's young too. And it honestly made me feel better, believe it or not, because I was like, wow, like I'm not alone. I find this person so beautiful, and she has exactly what I have, you know, cracks underneath her eyes. So this lash is so itchy. That's why I'm not even gonna tell you guys what this is, because this lash feels like it's gonna give my eye a rash. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, and can't wait to see you guys some more. Bye.